Wala. Nagdi na sa live ko. Kanina nang tagal na. 2 oras ako naka-live. Hindi na ito. Kaibigan lang kami. Wala yung sister. Yung bahay nga sa Calstudio. Nag-gym pa. Tumaba na yun. Dati, dito galing ba tayo? Taba-taba na yun. Napapayat ka. Hindi ako makain kanin. Ang kanin ang nakakataba kasi napatigilan natin kumain kanin. Ito mo pa? Kaya matigas na to. Sarap no? Tamis. Ganun lang ako kumain ng bayabas. Balat lang tayo. Kaya akala mo kakainin ko yung bato no? Hindi naman kasi natutunaw yan. Diba? Ganda. Dito nga kayo lagay kumain para makita yung bundok. Kaya hindi ko naman nakikita. Hi! Beautiful view, hi? Did you like the view? See? Ocean. Beautiful ocean. I love it here. This is what I'm looking at. Every time I hang out here, this is what I look at. I'm only hanging out here at Kubo, little house. You wanna see where I'm staying? Yeah, see? I'm staying at the little house. See? Yes, at the little house. Just hanging out. Now I'm gonna face it to the ocean and then watch the ocean and the wave. Listen to the wave, I love it. I love the ocean. I should be a mermaid. I should be a mermaid. Mermaid that doesn't know how to swim. I can swim but not so very well. Naglinis daw si Steve ng kwarto. Hindi man ako naglinis ng kwarto nito. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful view. I love it here. This is what it's all about. Enjoy the view. You see that around? Ayun, I'll show you around. See? Quiet. Relax. Listen to the wave. And the mountain. Isn't it? And there's the dog sleeping on the middle of the middle there. That's a dog. See? How beautiful is that? Love it. This is what is life about, huh? Guys? What's happening, guys? What's up? What's up, madlang people? What's up? Kamusta ko? May nagsa-surfing doon, no? Someone surfing there. You wanna see it? I'm on surfing. Hang on. See, there's a boat there. And there's a surfer. Like and subscribe, guys, please. I'm sort of just newbie. Just starting to do YouTuber. Share natin, guys, ang live. Can you share the live? How can I share the live?